forgive the noise in the shop, but there's fans on and stuff like that. So now we're going to drill some holes. See how we did. Got lucky on that one. Pretty good. A lot of people use sheet metal screws. I happen to have an abundance of quarter 20 nuts and bolts, so I'm just using some quarter 20 hardware that I have in the shop here. Hey, I drilled a hole with one of these bits like that, about 740 diameter, using a grommet connected to the hose down into the on top where the pump comes out. This is the inline, which will go down here, and then the outline will come back up to here, and I'll have my hose out here. So let me do a little bit more, and I'll show you the rest. Got the second hole done. Got the grommets in. That part done. Now we'll put the shelf back in. We'll hook up the brush, and we'll test it out. See how it works. See? The time is now. The moment of truth. We flip the switch. Switch is on. Something's pumping. Better be pumping. Oh, look at that! Filled up the filter. No leak there. No leak there that I can see. I don't see nothing dripping or leaking there. So basically what you can see is I removed the fixed metal line that comes out of there, drilled 2 holes in the side, and used 2 grommets. And I saw this on another person's YouTube channel. so I'm not the person to come up with this. I'll give that person credit in the credits there. But added the filter, which I bought on Amazon. I had some of these fittings in the shop, so I used those. I have the hose, luckily. I had to buy this filter fluid through brush. Very handy when you're cleaning. And so there we go. Added testers, added a filter. I'm gonna probably maybe add a light. I've got to do something with this. The spring thing on this was broken on the door, but I'm gonna fix that with something. But yeah, it's working, man. I'm happy. That's very cool. Yeah. I haven't wanted one of these in a long time. Also, I also added this aluminum tray in here because the sheet metal one is real flimsy and wimpy. Can't put any weight in there. So yeah, it's running. I'm happy, man. So it's basically your 20-gallon parts cleaner. You can get them at Harbor Freight. This one happens to be a Powercraft Pro 20-gallon parts washer. All different names, all different brands, all made in China. So yeah, I'm using the PSC 1000 solvent, which is what they recommend for these machines. It works pretty well. I'll be filtering it. We'll be draining it every once in a while, letting the sediment settle out, cleaning it out. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited, man. I got some engines I'm ready to start cleaning up and fixing. So stay tuned. And hey, you guys, I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't even buy it brand new. I think I paid, the guy wanted $69 for it because he only used it one time, he said. So they're out there, about $100 at Harbor Freight. Sometimes you get a coupon, get them for less. But it's going to be handy in the shop here. First time I've ever had one, so stay tuned. We're going to start working on a 8-horse Briggs & Stratton right there in that box. So it's going to be the first thing in there to get cleaned up. So stay tuned.